going to stop pontificating now, and then I'm just going to ask you a series of questions so that first of all, people can get to know who you are as a subject matter expert, and then we can talk about. I knew you were going to do that, and we could right, and then we can talk a little bit about some of the stuff going on at the very basic level, so that people can have a much more informed dialogue instead of listening to people like me, who people would maybe
Mhm.
accuse of not understanding infrastructure and those kind of things, which I do, but to hear from the subject matter expert instead. So let's start with this. Who are you?
I am Dr. Naeem Turner-Bandele. As you said, I hold a PhD in electrical and computer engineering from Carnegie Mellon University, where my focus was power systems or looking at our electric grids. I also have an MBA from New York University's Stern School of Business, and I now run my own energy technology company called Latimer Enterprises, where I focus on everything from the grid to our building systems to educating our youth on energy.
So if we were to compare you to the multitude of talking heads that we hear talking about what's currently going on, seriously, how would you say they compare to your knowledge of this subject from, I don't know, 0 to 10? 10 being they know exactly what you know or more, and zero being they need to shut the hell up. And I said that, not you.
Exactly. You said that, not me. I would give them a 3 or a 4 because on the one hand, they are receiving, they are supposed to be receiving updates from the entities at hand here, in this case, NIPSCO, on what's happening with the outage in a way that I don't have that level of granular detail. But on the other hand, they don't have the subject matter expertise to understand what's happening or even to ask the right questions. And there's just a lot of talk.
Okay, so speaking of that, then
And three
what?
or four, I should say, is at best. That does not apply universally to everyone in the
Okay, all right.
discussion.
So some of them are zeros,
They
right?
might be,
And the
yes.
best case 3 or 4. All right, cool. I got you. So with that in mind, t can you tell us, like in summary, in the level that unsophisticated people can understand, what took place in Gary from an energy expert's understanding?